Hey everyone, again it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. So let's jump on to the problem on hand, which is exercise 5, which is exercise 4.41 5. Why do I keep confusing the two? Question 4 and question 5. I always go question 4 instead of question 5. Anyways, this is the problem here. We gotta write a program that reads integers, finds the largest of them, and counts its occurrences. Assume that the input ends with number 0. Suppose that you entered that. The program finds that the largest is 5 and the occurrence count for 5 is 4. They also gave us this hint here at the bottom. You can pause and read it through yourself, okay? I'm not gonna do so, okay? Let's jump on to it. As you can see, I've already created my scanner. I've prompted my user to enter a sequence of numbers, and then I'm having my count, which we were told about, and max as well. However, my maximum is a character, is not an integer or a number. Oh, just so you know, folks, we're gonna have 3 solutions on this exercise. What I'm trying to do is to point out mistakes that beginners usually do. So this solution right here, I just want you to know it is the most lame solution one can get among the 3. Okay, let's jump on to it. Now that I've got those 3 variables, the very first thing for me to do will be to validate. So sequence.length. So go length dot. Firstly, I will make sure that my length is greater than or equal to 2, because the last number has to be 0 and the one before that. Again, this is the most lame solution, but it is something that a beginner student will probably do. So keep that in mind, okay? Sequence dot. We wanna make sure that our last character is 0. Dot length minus 1. We're making sure that our last character is 0, okay? Else we'll simply go system.out.print. We'll let our user know that the input is invalid, okay? Error, invalid input, okay? Suppose that our input is correct. What we then want to say, or rather do, is to create a while loop, and then sequence. What this while loop will do will be to read each and every number on our sequence of numbers. But we keep doing that only if our number, the one we just read, is in 0. So I haven't created a variable for that, so let me do so. I'll call it index, and I will initialize it to 0. Okay, because max is the first character, or rather number. So right here we want to use the second number first, rather than using the first number, the one we just used for max. Okay, that's why we post incrementing. Okay, let's continue. If this is the case, we simply want to check again. This is not the most, in fact this is the most lame solution one can possibly get. it is one of the bad solutions out there. Okay, so sequence dot character at, if character index is less than that, and we were told as a hint that what we've got to do is to make that our maximum. Okay, and furthermore to that, we want to assign one to our count character. Okay, else if max is equals to that, we want to increment our count. Okay, we want to increment our count. Okay, so let's see what else is there to do. It seems like we're done. Okay, perhaps I wanna exit my program here. System.out.print. Oh, it's exit. I wanna put a 1 there because I'm exiting my program. You know what else I could do? Because I've had enough with exiting my program. Let me just put my thing right there. Okay. I gotta keep it down. Okay. So I'm being intruded here, folks, just so you know. There are people talking next to me. Okay. Anyways, yeah, that should be pretty much it. Let's see what we get. Bear in mind though that there is a possibility of getting something we don't want. Okay, so the largest number is 4. The occurrence of the largest number is 2. Okay, let's try it for the last time. This time, okay. 5, 2, and 1, then 0. Okay, it seems like it works, but as I just told you guys, so I'll leave this as a question mark. Okay. Tell me what are the missing scenarios. Of course, I misspelled that, but you get the point. Okay, tell me the missing scenarios, folks, as a question. Okay, for now, I'm gone. Cheers.